In this video, we'll discuss the Property or Parcel Mapping tool in ITICnxt. The Property tool lets you create excavation entities based on existing parcel data. The Property tool is perfect for jobs that take place within the property boundaries of a specific address. Select the Property tool from the Drawing Tools menu. You may need to zoom in a bit before the Property tool appears in the menu. Click the property where the work will take place.
You will then need to answer a series of questions about the dig site. If you indicate work will take place in the street in front of the address, the entity will expand to include the nearby road right-of-way.
You may click additional properties to create more property excavation entities. ITICnxt will automatically derive marking instructions from your mapping. Thanks for watching.